Good morning, happy Wednesday. It's the beginning of a new vlog week. I just finished getting ready and I have a lot of work to do today. I'm trying to pack in a lot of content today because tomorrow I will be out of town. My niece is having a play, so I'm gonna go to that. I will be gone pretty much the entire day. I've had a lot of brands reach out to me like the last couple of weeks, and so I'm getting a lot of like PR in the mail, and it's always really exciting. But then that means that I have like a lot of content to do. It's 10 o'clock now. I'm going to try my hardest to not have a late lunch today because the last couple days I've been eating lunch at like 3 o'clock, and then Michael gets home around like 5 or 6 and he's hungry because he goes to lunch at noon, and our schedules have just been like off. Okay, I'm just rambling on, so I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, YouTube video has been filmed. Hopefully I can edit that and have it uploaded for Friday. I'm like halfway through editing this vlog, my vlog for last week that I need to post today. So I'm almost done editing that. I already had lunch. I had an early lunch today. Not early, I always used to eat at 1 o'clock, but lately I've just been pushing it back because I get in like work mode and like in a zone. But I think I'm gonna go get coffee and then I'll come back, film these little reels, and then finish editing my vlog and post it today. I started changed like a million times a day. I'm gonna go to the pool because it is so nice outside, and I'm gonna edit from there.
Is that a good cheese pool?
Severance season 2.
Stop.
Slow. That looks funny. Michael made pizza for dinner, so we just finished eating. We were watching Severance. This is season 2, but honestly my brain couldn't do it. I didn't want to like pay attention. It's like a little after 9. I'm gonna make some tea and then I'm gonna wash my face and go to bed. Today was really good. I got 1 YouTube video filmed and then I did 2 signature series for Instagram. Oops, I put honey in yours. You're so lame. Is it because the camera's on?
Oh, camera's on?
Oh, camera's on. Anyway, making tea and going to bed. Good night. Good morning, happy Thursday. I have been busy editing a new YouTube video that will go live on Friday. Tomorrow. I won't have any time to edit tomorrow, so I have to get it done today. I have like 2 hours to get out of here and I have to drive out. I need to just get all this stuff done this morning. We also went to the gym. I'm just going to hop in the shower and get ready, grab a coffee, and then head out. Good morning. Look at our fruit bowl. This makes me happy. Michael went to Costco yesterday while I was at my niece's school play. I got home so late, it was like midnight, so I missed my workout this morning. Michael went by himself and I slept in a little bit. I'm gonna make us some egg sandwiches for breakfast, and then I have to, oh my god, sorry, I'm still like waking up. I have to finish a YouTube video today. It's pretty much all done. I just have to upload it to YouTube. And then tonight we have a little date night. I'm really excited. So that's what we have going on today. Oh yeah, it's Friday also. It's Michael's off Friday, so we always do something fun. But yeah, okay. I like my egg extra cooked. I do not like it runny. Don't give me a runny egg, ever. Okay. Just finished uploading a new YouTube video and I took a shower, and now we're gonna go get coffee. It's literally like my favorite part of the day. I want it for like the experience. I mean, it tastes good too, but I love going to get a little coffee. The ice is like my favorite noise in the whole world. Doing an OTD. We're going to dinner. My shirt's from Abercrombie. It's like a satiny, dark chocolate brown color. My pants, oh, they're actually also from Abercrombie. These are the Sloan tailored pants in black. My little kitten heels are from Steve Madden. And my trench is H&M. So this is my little dinner fit. I got a hot date tonight. That was the fastest we've ever gotten ready.
And we're still late.
No, we're still late. Mocktail, actual drink. Little date night's over. Very cutesy. Laurel Grill. We loved it.
Recommend.
We def recommend.
8.5.
8.5. That's pretty good. Same. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Saturday. We slept in, so it feels like a Sunday. We're just getting ready to go to the gym. I love this top from CSB, but I wish I would have got it bigger because it's so tight and like it's such a flattering top, but it is so tight. Normally I'm a size small, but dang, their stuff is so tight. Anyway, we've got push today. We said we would take the day and just relax, go up to the pool. So we're gonna go hang out by the pool. I think it's gonna be a chill little Saturday. I'll show you guys the top because it's cute. My leggings are still set active. The Sculpt fabric is my favorite because it really just like, the compression on them is crazy. And then you guys know I love my little New Balance 9060s.
It's good to make it better when you people make it with you. Money coming, money going, like you can take it with you.
Let's go. 30 minutes later.
Since you come in home intoxicated, bad but okay, sure. Soon as I tell you that you're the one I would wait for, you too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved on. Wanted you the best time.
In the water over there. 7 and 1 water.
This is your last one? Wait. You ask your brother Noosh. Good morning, it's Sunday, which means it's also our content day. I haven't been going to sweat lately. I just haven't been feeling it. I don't know, it's probably been like a month now or so. But last night I was looking at my ClassPass and I've been wanting to try this Pilates studio. Well, it's Legree, I think that's what it's called. And the studio is like right around the corner. So I figured that I would try it. And so I thought, why don't I try something new to see if I like it? But I felt like my knee was kind of like bothering me too much to try something new. My knee has been feeling so much better, by the way. I've been doing these exercises at the gym 2 or 3 times a week. And so now it feels a lot better. 9:48 right now. So I'm actually gonna make myself a little coffee and then I'm going to get ready for my class. Okay, I just did like 8 ounces of almond milk in this blender bottle. And then this is the coffee that I've been drinking at home. It's Javy protein coffee and it's honestly so good. I made one last night with Torani. I put a little bit of this French vanilla Torani syrup in it and it was delicious. So I'm gonna try to make it again today. You take 1 scoop and I just put it in there. There's only like, I think 6 servings in this little bag and we're almost done. I'm kind of sad, but really good. I always have to triple check that this is closed because God forbid it's not. Let me get ice. And before I pour that, I'm gonna put a little bit of this Torani in it. Just a little tiny bit. I can't see it in this cup. It might have been too much, but it's okay. Ooh, that's perfect. I'm also gonna have a go macro. Now we can taste this. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's so good. I did put a little bit too much syrup, but it's so good. I'm not gonna have like a big breakfast because like I said, I'm gonna go to this Pilates class in a bit, but I don't wanna go like on a complete empty stomach. So this is my breakfast. And then when I get back, maybe I'll eat something. I sat down for like 3 seconds and I'm like, okay, I need to get up and get ready. I literally only have like one pair of grip socks and so I have to find those. I know where they would be, I just don't know exactly where they are. I think I'm gonna wear my Lululemon because I like Lululemon for like yoga and any kind of like stretchy movements or like for like flexibility. So this is one of my favorite Lululemon sports bras. It's really cute. It has like a little crisscross strappy back. I have 2 pairs of these black Lululemon. These are 7/8, which I think I'm gonna wear because they're just shorter on me. I don't have to worry about the excess at the bottom, whereas these ones are a lot longer. I found them just like little grip socks. I'm gonna put my hair up in a claw clip. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know. I just don't know like what to expect because I just hear like how challenging it is, like these slower movements. I hope it's not too challenging. I love a good burn, so we'll see. I'm gonna throw on a little star face because my face has been really upset with me lately. Honestly, anytime this happens, I know it's like one of 3 things. Either 1, I haven't been drinking enough water, which could possibly be the case. 2, I need to clean my makeup brushes, which I haven't done in a while, so that could be it too. Or 3, I need to like wash my pillowcase, which we do pretty often, so I don't think that that's what's causing my face to break out. But yeah, as soon as I see like just all of these, it has to be like one of those 3 things. So anyways, I'm gonna put a little star face. Just like that. I bought this pack on Amazon and I didn't realize that it was gonna come with like 96 star patches. I don't know why I bought this one. Okay. And then I also don't like to put anything on my face before a workout, but I don't like it feeling completely dry, so I'm gonna put some of this hydrating setting spray. It does have hyaluronic acid in it, so I try to be careful and not be in the sun. Deodorant. Michael always wonders why it takes me so long to get ready. Like for the gym and for anything really, and I'm like, well, because I have like a million things to do. What does the back of my hair look like? Is it okay? Okay, and then one last thing that I do is curl my eyelashes because I don't wear any makeup, but I feel like just curling my lashes makes me feel and look a little more awake. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 10:30 a.m.
Okay, perfect. I have a few minutes before I have to go. I feel and look more awake with my eyelashes curled. I'm gonna do a little bit of lip butter balm. Oh, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit of perfume because there's one thing about me is I'm never gonna smell at a workout, okay? Like, no. This is Replica in Lazy Sunday Morning. It is so good. I'm almost out. This is like a good everyday scent. Okay, good timing. Got my bag, I'm gonna take this one. This is Sincerely Jules from like a long time ago. Lip butter balm, a face towel, my grippy socks, and where's my water? Water. Kind of bummed I'm not done with my coffee, but it'll be waiting for me here when I get back. The water down, but that's okay. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, that was such a great workout. Like the shakes, like they're so real. Like my legs were literally shaking. Like I said, I work out, you know, like I don't have a problem working out, but dang, that was a good workout. The instructor was so sweet. I like introduced myself when I got there because I got there a little early, so it was nice because she gave me like a little rundown. Obviously, I'm not gonna remember right away, but like just going through the motions and like, it's just something that you have to do with practice, but it was so good and she was so sweet. She would like come over and check on me, make sure I was doing the moves correctly. And then at the end, she was like, you did so well, like as a first like comer. Like anyway, now I have to shower and get ready and we're gonna go shoot content. Okay, I'm ready to go. I've got water. one outfit, and then we're shooting the one that I'm wearing too. Oh, my laptop.
Yeah, and sweet ones for the.
And your matcha and did it. This mall is insane. Coming here on a Sunday was not it, but it's beautiful. It's just so busy. Okay, we made it in and out in 50 minutes because that's how long it was gonna take for the car to charge. I had to go to Abercrombie to return these jeans that I bought during their spring sale. They just didn't fit me well, which was weird because I've had so many of their jeans. Oh shoot, I'm supposed to go the other way. Okay, we're going this way now. Okay, I just got home and I immediately changed. And Michael made food for us. This looks delicious, babe. While we watched The Last of Us Season 2. Here we go. Okay, I don't know what's going on with the storage on my camera, but it's not letting me record. I swear I've deleted so many videos and it still won't let me. I don't know. So we're just gonna film on my phone. Happy Monday. It's the beginning of a new week. I did not sleep well at all last night. I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the morning and I couldn't sleep for like 2 hours. Finally dozed off around like 4:30 maybe. And then my alarm went off at 5:45 and then I didn't actually get up until like 6:45. But it's okay because I had a Celsius, which always does the trick until I probably crash later this afternoon. But we hit legs today at the gym, which felt really good. But my core is so sore from yesterday's Legree class. Also, I don't know if Legree is Pilates. Like I see people talking about it like saying it's otherwise or like some form of Pilates. I don't really know how that works, but it was intense and that's all I know. You guys, we're back. We're back on my camera. I was having trouble with the storage on the memory card. Hold on, let me explain this right. When you delete the files from memory SD card on your laptop, they go into your trash bin. You eject the SD card, they're still saved somehow, even though there are no files on the SD card itself. So what I had to do was plug the SD back into my computer and then go into my trash can, delete all the files. So basically empty out my trash can and then eject the SD card. And then I finally put it in my camera and it said I had like 9 hours of storage. There's nothing on the camera. So it was driving me nuts yesterday, but I finally figured it out. A simple Google search. Anyway, it is Tuesday and I just finished uploading a new reel onto my Instagram, which is a little bit different for the typical content that I've been posting lately. I kind of want to branch out into wellness. I love being physically active. I also feel like our mental health is important. I'm testing the waters there. So now I'm gonna go and get some lunch. I'm gonna go get Chipotle and then I'm gonna get some coffee. And then tonight I'm going to an open breath and sound work class with some of my friends. I'm really excited to see them, one, but two, I'm really excited to take this class again. I feel like last time I did it, it felt really good, but I was obviously your first time, you're a little nervous and you don't really know what to expect. Now going in as my second time, I feel like it's gonna be a lot better. But yeah, so that's what I've got going on today. And then oh, I guess today's the last day of this vlog too, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed thus far. I'm gonna bring you guys along to tonight's class and then we'll close out the vlog there. You guys, I was trying to edit and could not keep my eyes open for the life of me. So I decided to take a 30-minute nap and obviously that got extended to 2 hours. Set an alarm, which was good, but I just kept like putting it off. And then it was like 5 o'clock and I'm like, okay, I really need to get up because I want to go to the dry cleaners and pick up my stuff from like over a week ago now, then go to open. So I just got up really quickly, retouched up my makeup and like brushed my teeth and like got myself awake. I changed and now I'm gonna head out. I have a little bit of coffee left from earlier. It's like super watered down, but I'm still gonna drink it because I really need to wake up right now. Okay, I just got back from open. I stopped at In-N-Out for a bite to eat just to have dinner because Michael's at a Dodger game, so we didn't really like plan to have dinner together. I basically ate it on the way home. Hi, Ashy. But anyways, I'm just gonna get ready for bed and have some tea and then call it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to see more, and I will see you here next week for next week's vlog. Bye. Say bye, Ashy.